Hello everyone. Now I am discussing with you the example to solve linear equations using matrix method. Look at this example. There are three equations: x plus y plus z is equal to 10, 2x plus y is equal to 13, x plus y minus 4z is equal to 0. You have to solve it. Solve means you have to find x, y and z. So first step was to convert the equations into a matrix form. See here, there is no z present here. When any of the variable is not present in any equation, you write it like this: 0 into z. Right? Now how will you convert into a matrix? Your first matrix will be, what are the coefficients? X ka coefficient is 1, coefficient of y is 1, z ka coefficient 1. Again there is 2, 1, 0. Then 1, 1 minus 4. Then there is one more row, that will be your column matrix x, y, z, and will be equal to 10, 13, 0. This is your step 1. We will write it as a x equal to b. Is that clear? This is a very important step. Make sure you will write these coefficients very carefully. There should not be any mistake. Any single mistake will cause an error in complete question. So in the beginning, you are supposed to write the correct values. This is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 4, x, y, z, 10, 13, 0. Now your step 2. What was your step 2? Find determinant A. So you find it here. You know how to find the determinant? I told you in the first class. So your determinant A was, you will write plus, minus, plus. So you start with here, plus 1 and make a bracket, eliminate the row and column. It will be minus 4, minus 0, then minus 1. Again you eliminate it. आप इसको eliminate कर रहे हैं. Then you are left with minus. First was your plus 1, you eliminated it. It is minus 4, minus 0. Now you will eliminate this. It will be minus 8, minus 0. And then your plus 1 again, and eliminating it, 2 minus 1. So you will be getting it minus 4 minus minus plus 8 plus 2. So your determinant is 6. Check it carefully if there is any problem to calculate the determinant. No, it is not 2 minus 1. See here, it is 2 minus 1. This is a correction over here. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 9 minus 4, it is equal to 5. Clearly it is non-zero. So I hope determinant is clear to you. So if the determinant is non-zero, it implies there exists unique solution. Fine. Now you will find this solution. Now what was your next step? Next step is find A inverse. That is equal to 1 upon determinant A adjoint A. Now how to find adjoint A? Adjoint A is a set of Aij and uska transpose. This is your adjoint A. So first let us find adjoint A. I am rubbing this equation over here. So first of all, let us find the adjoint. To find the adjoint, you first find out A11, that is equal to, eliminate the row, minus 4, minus 0. Since it is even, it will remain A11. Now you write A12, you eliminate it, minus 8, minus 0. But it is odd, so it will become plus 8. A13, eliminating first row, third column, 2 minus 1. That will be 1. Then A21, second row, first column, it will be minus 4, minus 1. That will become minus 5. But since it is odd, you will put a minus sign, it will become plus 5. A22, again A22 will be second row, second column, minus 4, minus 1. It is already even, so it will remain same. A23, A23 is second row, third column, 1 minus 1. That goes to 0. But since it is odd, the sign will change. But in case of 0, there is no sign considered, neither plus nor negative. So we leave it as it is. Now next is, you will find A31. So A31, third row, first column, 0 minus 1, दैट गोज टू -1. इवन है तो साइन सेम रहेगा. A32 थर्ड रो सेकेंड कॉलम 0 -2, but it is odd, so we put a minus sign. -2 that goes to 2, and last is A33 third row third column 1 -2 -1 even है, then the sign will remain same. So we have obtained our cofactors. Now we'll write adjoint. So your adjoint will become adjoint A is equal to, write the elements in the given order, -4 8 1 5 -5 0 -1 2 -1, and take the transpose. It will become -4 8 1 5 -5 0 -1 2 -1. This is adjoint A. And the next step, you will write A inverse. So A inverse is 1 upon determinant A, adjoint A. Determinant was 5, 1 upon 5, you make a matrix, -4 5 -1 8 -5 2 1 0 -1. At this step, make sure you do not divide 5 inside with every element. Leave it here as it is, otherwise it will complicate your calculation work. So leave it like this only. Now last step, x is A inverse B. You substitute A inverse 1 upon 5 -4 8 1 5 -5 0 -1 2 -1. Then your B matrix, which was B matrix was, your entries were in the B matrix 10 13 0 10 13 0. So now you calculate, you will do this multiplication over here. So 1 upon 5, now you multiply this row 1 column 1, -40 5 into 13 plus 65 minus 0, then 80 minus 13 into 5 65 plus 0, 10 plus 0 minus 0. So it is 1 upon 5, and here I am getting 15 25, 80 minus 65, that is 15, and this is 10. Now you divide by 5, it is equal to 5 3 2. So your values are x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 2. This was your x, which was equal to x, y, z. So this is how you will find your solution. You can verify your solution by substituting these values in any of the equation. If it satisfies the equation, it means your answer is correct. This is our matrix method, and it is very, very important. It has a 6 marks weightage. So you need to attempt as many questions you can attempt. Attempt the complete exercise from your maths book, and I will send the assignments based on that. Thank you.